Hi friends, I mentioned earlier in my vlog that I was going to start this crochet tapestry based on the Nuggets logo. While I'm waiting for the yarn, I had I had designed the chart, and I realized that I wanted to crochet a gauge swatch to understand how many stitches per inch I would actually crochet, and then I could resize the pattern appropriately. I've actually never done that before, so we will see how this works out. All right, friends, I am trying to resize this pattern to fit my actual gauge of, let's see, I think it's 3 single crochet per inch. And right now, this is a placeholder size of 4 inches across. So we're going to try to resize this to where each of these boxes is a stitch, and so I want 3 stitches equal to 1 inch. So like I said, I don't know this program at all, and so I've just kind of mucked my way through it, which has been interesting. So, but one of the good things about this program is that you can export. I figured out how to stop a screen recording that was comical. Anyway, so here's the output of the chart, and you see that it is written how I would crochet this. You see that row 1 starts right to left. I would crochet 10 in black, 1 in white, 3 in black, 3 in white. Oh, okay, so this actually did resize it appropriately. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, this is way easier than the way that I was trying to do it. So I will say money well spent, since I can use Max Stitch for a number of different projects, not just charting, Graphigan, or a tapestry. I already have ideas in my head of which pictures I want to convert into a cross stitch. We'll see how I make use of this program going forward. I've got my yarn already, and I have my pattern printed out. So let's get started. Real talk, that yarn that I had ordered and started off with really sucks. Ah!
Good grief, man.
That was dumb. I'm with you on that one. It's like he gets up, it's like he's cringing. Kind of like what we used to do with Michael Porter Jr. For him, he's like, ugh.
Well, Michael Porter can actually shoot the ball pretty well.
Yeah, but there was one playoff, was it 2 years ago, where he wasn't?
Bricks,
yeah, he wasn't.
I think that was the year he was playing through injury. I think the problem I always have with Michael Porter Jr. is all he can do is shoot jump shots for the amount of money he's paid. He's got to be a little more versatile than that.
Nice. Timeout. So I'm ripping all of this out, and I'm going to start over because it's never a project unless I have to restart it, right? All right, it is 10 p.m. and I have figured it out, I think. And so I got this far up to row 3. It was a bit fiddly. Well, the avalanche just scored, so that's very exciting. And this is how far I got. but very, very, very happy with how this turned out. I can't wait to see what the rest of it looks like when I get to the rainbow stripes. Okay, I've made some pretty good progress on this. As you can see, I just came back from a business trip. I am, no lie, I am exhausted. I am really tired, but I worked on this for a little bit while on the plane. I made a lot of mistakes as well and had to rip stuff back, but that's all good. It's working out now, and I'm almost finished, I think. I have, you know, a couple rows of red and then a couple more rows of, you know, white, and then finish it off. So I thought I would record me finishing this. Very excited.